Alrighty guys, there goes two Freds. They should be one, my other friend should be in Fort Townsend, and my other friend is leaving Hugo right about now. Guys, have you heard that semi-honk? That is a good ally. That is one of my trucker friends and stuff like that. I thank you for that, the trucker honk, and I appreciate him encouraging me being out here and stuff like that. Alright guys, I actually did brush up on my law. The comp's actually wrong. You could be on railroad property and stuff like that, blah 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 blah. But technically the comp I talked to, he was kind of like a douchebag a little bit. So technically I could film on railroad property beyond the gates for TONE or Kiamichi and stuff like that. I can do that. Technically, I can. So guys, I'll catch you guys next time on the haul roads of the Kiamichi Railroad. I'm gonna take me, like I said, I'm gonna take me a vacation and rest for the nights of photographying and film them during the day if I can. And technically there is changes. It is coming to the railroads. It is probably take effect now. So what I'm saying took effect now is if you're going to film them switches stuff like that, you gotta be right here. You cannot film them right here if you're going to see them switch stuff like that, because they can delete your video and they can get it off of YouTube and stuff like that. But if you're filming it right here, you have the right to put it on your YouTube or whatever, guys. Don't let that just don't let that get to you. Don't let people of stuff get to you. Just post it and stuff like that. It don't matter. Just film it right here if you're going to film the switch and stuff like that. But if you're filming them just like what I'm doing right now, that's totally fine. Stuff like that. But you should be totally fine. If somebody comes up to you, don't worry about that. Just ignore them. Just do what you do. Be a railroad fan and be encouraging. And please encourage others to do the exact same thing. And be safe. And, oh yeah, guys, stop. Trains can't. That's what I forgot to mention in my other video. So I brushed up my law on this stuff, so technically I can be on that Y like I was talking about. I could be on that Y and stuff like that, and the cop can't say nothing about that. So but whatever, guys. I was just, the guys wearing a badge, I gotta respect them. So guys, I will talk to y'all guys later. I want to have a vacation, and at the rest of my vacation, I want to do just like my friends do on the railroad. Take a vacation and then be back soon on the Kiamichi Railroad. But if I do film, it'll be a daytime on the Kiamichi Railroad. But I won't quit railroad photographing. I will keep railroad photographing. But right now, I want you to watch all my videos and press the likes and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll catch you guys next time in the next couple of videos. If I catch a daytime freight train, or whatever, guys, I will film that. And I love the Kiamichi Railroad. That's my favorite railroad company, and they're owned by the Genesee in Wyoming. So guys, two birds with one stone. So guys, Genesee, Wyoming owns a lot of railroads. So I may get a railroad wave at one of them if I see a Genesee Wyoming Railroad in any area in the United States. But right now I'm in this I'm sorry about that. In this I keep saying it, general area. So for now. But I want to take a vacation down south. Also, I want to hopefully maybe have a good time going to Galveston. And go see my aunt and see if I can catch me a Union Pacific train down there in the daytime. So guys, don't let all that get to you. This goes for the boss on the Kiamichi Railroad. I won't quit photographing you, but I want to take me a vacation. I would love, and I will keep doing what I do best, sir. I'll catch you guys later. I'm washing up. I want to go home. Take me a shower, go to bed. I heard of the Queen unit, but I don't care. I want to go to bed. So bedtime outweighs train chasing for the TONE Railroad. So guys, I'll catch you guys later. But guys, there has been people, you know, there's always going to be people out there. It's going to hate trains regardless, so it don't matter. So if somebody